Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. So things are not really going that well. I kind of had to switch stuff up and I put my camera above my computer where I put my notes for the videos. So it's gonna be kind of like weird. I'm gonna keep looking down here and then I'm gonna go up and then down and up and down. I can't really find a medium and I can't really memorize my scripts for future videos. So hope you guys don't mind. Anyway, today's video is kind of different. I'm sort of going to run down why a certain business is gonna do super good in 2020 and the downsides slash positives for why you want to do this business in 2020. So today's video is going to be on vending machines. So it's been like 2 days since I last uploaded and a lot of things have happened in our world. For example, like the unemployment rates have climbed, the stocks have started rising, what we call bull market, and there's still teenagers. Half of them are out on the beach with on their crap. I can't say that on camera. And yeah, it sucks because we're going to be in our houses for a lot longer. The case is just rising and rising. Anyway, I decided it would be a good idea to run a vending business plan through you guys, the vending machine business plan, and see if it's a good business model in 2020 to run as a side hustle, if it's going to leave you unemployed or if it's going to actually give you a good return. The vending business is where you go to a vending retailer or some online store like OfferUp and you purchase a cheap vending machine. You find a location and you put your machine in that location and you stock the machine with stuff that you got from Sam's Club, for example. I like Sam's Club because it's cheaper. Sam's Club or Costco, those two are super good places. But you basically stock your machine up with really cheap products and you just wait for the customers to flow in, right? That's the vending machine business plan for you. And so I'm going to quickly run by what people make and if it'll be the same in 2020. So the average Joe is going to go to a wholesaler and it's going to buy a 24 pack of soda, right? And a 24 pack of soda runs at approximately $11, right? Each unit is 50 cents or so. So let's just say we bought Coca-Cola packs, Coke packs, Sprite, Dr. Pepper, Mountain Dew. Got all the main and important sodas. We got each one for 50 cents a unit and we resold it for $2 in our vending machine. Now that means that we're going to get a $1.50 profit. $1.50 per bottle times 24, which is a full pack, yields $36 back. So if we assume that at least 2 of the rows runs out, we make around $72 per week. That equals to $288. And if we sort of give a little bit of our money to the place that we're putting it in, for example, car dealerships and stuff like that, we should make a return of around $216 total per month. So even though so many people are getting to the business and learning the ups and downs while they're off of work or they're fired, this is my answer. Yes, it's an amazing business to run in 2020. First of all, the cost of the machines has gone down a lot because people aren't always digging the fancy machines with the hands and the claws that like grab the food and the drinks and bring them down for you. They need to find popular brands, sort of like Coca-Cola, like the $300 ones. They don't want to spend all that money, right? The machine price has gone all the way down to where you could get it for like really, really cheap prices at vending companies. You could expect to get like 10 locations for $3,000. It's really, really decent amount with a yielded return of $200 per machine per month. You'd be able to pay off your machines in a month and a half, and from that day on, your assets would continue building. Second of all, a popular YouTuber like Jaime Ibanez, or let's say, how do you say this name? Ray's the entrepreneur. They're really good in the vending business, and they found a way to duplicate their earnings, and if we just focus on the education and we learn how to run these machines, they should be super easy to profit off of in 2020. That is the second reason. On to the third reason, and that is, yes, you heard it from me, folks. Everyone's panicked right now. It's COVID season, right? So everyone's really, really scared and they're going to stores and grocery chains and 7-Elevens and buying all these juices, sodas. And the cool part about this is that people will go to your machine because they feel like they need to stock up on stuff, right? So your machine's gonna be pretty much empty the next time you come. Bonus points if you can get it into a grocery chain. That'll basically run you the profits because people are panicking. And my last point as to why they're a pretty good business model is that it's passive income. Asset, right? It's what we call passive income because we set up, we do some initial work, and we wait a couple weeks and we're basically making our money back. It's really, really helpful if you want to live that lifestyle you've always been dreaming of where you got like 30 different assets coming in and you can just go on the beach, just relax, be yourself, you know, just grab one of those Coca-Colas, drink them, bro. You're selling them. Why not do that? So really cool part about this is that the more assets you build, the richer you get, and that's what people need in 2020. So is Coca-Cola vending machines and other vending machines a really good idea in 2020? Yes, I believe so, and I believe there's many reasons why you should hang on to this business model and use it and apply it. The main point covered is that in a total month, you can pay back your machine and you basically just have assets from there on. There's just so many things you can do with this extra amount of money. You can keep on reinvesting it in machines, keep making money, multiplying it, just do the 10x rule as Grant Cardone likes to put it, and soon enough you got your own assets. You got your own business, you got your vending machine, and I think that this model in particular is very helpful if you're a new entrepreneur and you're looking for nice business models to run in 2020. Anyways, I hope you did enjoy that. Agreed with my 3 reasons. I'm really shooken up. Like, I've never done a video like this before where I got the notes right here and I got the camera right there, but I hope you guys did enjoy this new style of video. Leave a like, please subscribe, hit the bell. I didn't say that at the beginning, but please do for the YouTube algorithm. Please leave a like for the YouTube algorithm, and as always, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.